Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest today, Miss Andreea Cristina. She's Andreea Cristina on Instagram. She is my beauty expert. Look at her eye makeup, so gorgeous. She kills it in beauty, so we figured we would do a fun collab where she dresses me for the spring holidays and I dress her. First, let's go shopping. Let's find some looks for the spring holiday weekend. Stop H&M because they have so many florals for spring. I'm definitely picking up some florals for Andreea. She's actually already wearing florals. This would be a cute Easter outfit. I feel like I don't even need to do my job. Found Andreea what I think is a super cute outfit at H&M. I hope you like it. Did you find something good for me?
Yes, I found one thing, but I feel like it should still keep looking.
Okay, let's go to Forever 21. Yeah. So much for Forever 21.
No bueno.
That was a complete bust.
Yeah.
Everything was the size of like Ashley's daughter, like so itty bitty.
Yeah.
Okay, let's find somewhere else. I'm really excited to show Andreea what I came up with for her. I did a mix of florals and some stripes and some bright colors. So she's coming over soon and I cannot wait to see the outfit she picked for me. I just got here.
Hello.
And we're gonna fashion it up. I can't wait to see what you have in store for my spring holiday outfits.
Excited to see if you like them.
I hope I do. I'm kidding. I'll love them.
This is what I picked for Sydney.
I keep twirling. I can't stop.
The casual outfit. I think this is fun. Like you can dress it up with a pair of stilettos or sandals or like a wedge if you're like going to a park or church. I mean, I don't know what it is about mint and like a coral that
It's
I
such
find
an interesting color.
Yeah, Eastery, but I did.
And then
I
this
love
was in my purse
stuff.
already. In my purse. It was in my the purse was in my closet and it matches so
I mean,
perfectly.
it literally does. I love it. I just think it's fun
Twirling.
and girly.
And it's so lightweight. It's really comfortable.
Yeah, I absolutely love it. All right, outfit 2, and
This one's funny.
funny story.
I already had this skirt.
And I picked it off the rack, and I was like, "What do you think about this?" And then literally, she's like, "I have it."
It's
So-
in my closet. But I love how you styled it.
Yeah, so I picked this blush pink high neck. I think high necks are so elegant, especially that if it's sleeveless, it's just so chic and it elongates your body. And then we added this cute belt and this fun bag.
I love high necks too because when it gets hot, I feel like they look good with a ponytail.
Yeah,
So you can tie your hair back and it's still very chic.
style tip for all you people out there.
Probably YouTube family.
Yeah, and I love the double ruffle. It's just kind of fun and it adds a little bit of interest at the bottom. And we paired it with some fun flat sandals, but they have a little bit of heel.
Yeah, so I'm not a midget.
Yeah.
Andrea's a shorty like me. She's half an inch taller.
My third outfit for you. I thought this was great for to church, after church with the family, maybe meeting the parents for the first
I
time.
feel like this is a great conservative but still chic look.
Yes, I agree.
Definitely family friendly.
Yeah, and this looks so good on you. I love this color on you. It's so
Thank
pretty.
you. I love the pants. They're really slimming. The
Yeah.
stripes, the vertical stripes are great. And you guys, you know I'm obsessed with blush, as Andreea knew as well. So I really loved this outfit. Thank you so
And the
much.
pointed toe really
Helps you
elongates.
make you look taller.
Yeah, and I love the V too.
I like the little
buttons.
buttons. Yeah, it's really pretty. So this was a really fun experiment. I don't usually let people dress me. I'm usually the one getting
so
dressed,
lucky.
but Andreea did such a good job. And now it's time to do what I do, dress other people. So I'm gonna dress you on your channel. I hope you love as much as I do. So you guys head over to Andrea's and see me get her dressed for spring holidays.
Yay, let's do it.